girl, Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So I have not been missing in action. I actually have been filming, but I've been having computer issues, guys. So yeah, I got video that I haven't even edited yet. So I finally got my computer working so that I can edit. So I'm giving you guys this video since this is the box that just came in. So we have our brown sugar box, guys. So guys, this is our brown sugar box for the month of October. As you guys know, this box does ship out at the end of the month. So this box is a black monthly lifestyle subscription box. This box is $42 a month plus $8.95 for shipping and handling, and plus taxes based on where you live. So that puts us a little over $50 a month for this particular box. So I'm going to get right into our October's box, and we're going to see what's in here, and we're going to get into unboxing it with you guys. Oh, by the way, I do like the artwork on the front of our box here. I think this girl is very cute. I am loving the girls that they're putting on the box. I think they do a great job with the artwork. They should just put these girls on like a t-shirts, because it'd be like the artwork is so good, and like the hairstyle looks so realistic. I really like the artwork, so I'm just going to say that. All right, so where's our paper? Let me grab that first. Okay, so this is our magazine that comes in every box. So it tells us what's in the box, what's the theme of the month. So we have the theme for the month is Throwback Rewinds and Rewind 90s. Okay, so this is 90s inspired box that we have today. The value of this box is at $116. And the young lady we have on the front, this is Simone, and we have Step Into the Month with the spirit of Simone. Say hello to Simone, our October cover girl who brings back the magic of the 90s with a modern twist. I agree. That hairstyle, the look, very 90s, the hoops. I should have worn hoops today, so I filmed the video. But anywho, I ain't wear hoops, but I like my 90s inspired looks as well. So they give us a little bit of information about Simone and what her vibe is for the box for the month. But we're going to get right into what is in our box. So without any further delay, let's get to it, right? So this is the first item that I'm pulling out, guys. Looks like we have some jewelry here. So these should be gold-plated classic hoop earrings. These are valued at $32. So let me take them out the plastic. And I like the little bag. This is great if you're giving it as a gift to somebody too. So let's, oh, I like these. Look at these. These are cute. And then we have our hoops. These are cute earrings. I like these. Let me pick this one up so I can show you both at the same time. So these are earrings. They're valued at $32. I like them. I like hoops. I like large earrings. I like these because they have such a unique look to them. That is so cool. I like how the hoops on those look. I wouldn't say these are 90s inspired. The classic hoops are definitely 90s inspired. These have more of a retro kind of vibe, but I like them. I like them. I think they're really cute. So again, our earrings were valued at $32 and they're gold plated. And the information they gave us says add a touch of the 90s glam with these versatile set of gold plated hoops featuring two types of style, the classic hoop and a modern geometric design. These earrings bring a hint of sophistication and shine to your everyday ensemble. So yes, these are cute. Love these. All right, let's see what else is in our box. What is this? Huh. Okay, so this is what I'm pulling out. It says it's a fanny bag. That's it. So this is the bag, guys, that we have. And this is how like the buckle looks, and this is more of an up close look of how the bag is. And it has a little zipper in the front here. You can barely see it, but yeah, it's a zipper in the front here. And this is the inside of the bag. So and it has brown sugar written on the straps. of the bag. So this, guys, is our crossbody fanny pack. It came in 1 of 5 colors. This is valued at $26. It says stash your essentials and keep your hands free in this style with these colorful crossbody fanny packs. Whether you're rocking it across your waist or slinging it across your chest, these versatile bags are a perfect on-the-go 90s inspired flair. Okay. I grew up as a teenager in the 90s. I don't remember nothing like this. I honestly don't. This is more, to me, this is more of a updated version of what you think it should look like. Because I don't, they said you could wear this, I guess you could wear it on your waist. I'm just imagining wearing it on your waist. This is more of an updated style. This is not what anything from the 90s would have looked like. It's cute. I think this is great for like if you're traveling or maybe going to a concert or something and you don't want to, going to the park or something and you want your hands free. I think it'll work. This color is loud though. I can't wear this with everything, so that's my only complaint. But yeah, I normally carry more stuff than this, so I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work for me, but yes, this is what we have, and this is valued at $26. The other colors, we look like we have a reds. I'm trying to go in a little bit so you guys can see. You see how we have the colors over here? So the red, the orange, the greens, the blue. So yeah, it's other colors, but yeah, I don't know. For me, I don't think this is that great of a thing for me. I don't know if I would use this. So let's go to the next thing. So the next thing I'm pulling, what is this, cards or something? So this is the next item I'm pulling out, guys. This is going to be 90s vibe playing card deck. So this is valued at $15, and it says step up your game night with these custom designed playing cards, each featuring vibrant illustrations that pay homage to unforgettable 90s music and energy of the 90s. Perfect for adding a pop of fun to any gathering. These cards are more than just a deck, they're a work of art. So let's pop it open and see what they look like. I don't play much cards. I don't know about the rest of y'all. I'm not much of a card player. I don't know. Like, these would just be sitting in the drawer unless I knew somebody that plays cards. I would give it to them. But yeah, I'm not much of a card player. So it has the little pull out. So I do like that. That makes it very convenient. Still more plastic. I thought I was done with all this plastic. Hold on. Making sure you get your cards and they ain't go flying everywhere. You gotta admit that. Okay, so these are what some of the cards look like. Let me take half of them here so we can kind of see what's on them and show them to you guys. Okay. So they have little great designs and stuff on them, I think. They're cute. They're cute for you card players. Me, yeah, I can't. I don't know no books or anything, so I can't play no cards. I'm horrible. So the card thing just ain't me. So this would be something I would say is not a me thing. But I think it's a cute idea. Let's go to our next item. Oh yeah, and again, these were valued at $15. So let's hit our next item. Okay, what is this? Why are these so tiny? Like it's pins. So these are supposed to be That's So 94 pack button of pins. Okay, these are tiny. These are like tiny. If you remember the 90s, you like me, you can't see that good no more. Like you can't, can you read this? Can you read any of this? Any of it? Oh my God. It says hip hop on here, but it's so freaking tiny. I don't even know if you guys see that. Do you? It's like so freaking tiny. Oh my God. It says Fly Girl, another super tiny one. Then we also have one that says Queen. Trying to see if y'all can see it. These are tiny. Why are they so small? This one says the perfect Era. I don't know what this is. Oh, the perfect verse. Something, something. I don't know. I can't read that. Your girl got over 40-year-old eyes. I can't read all of this. Why are they so tiny? And you telling me these are valued at $8? No. No, 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 no. If they were like the regular size buttons, I would so say $8. This that I can barely see, it's a no. It's a no. These are not worth even the $8 to me because I can't read this. And I mean, other than what are you gonna put this like on your jacket or something like from the 90s and just have buttons all over your jacket? I appreciate the thought, but this was executed poorly. We don't need little tiny buttons. These are too small. No one can read these. I can't read these. That's not worth $8 to me. I think everybody got the same thing. That I'm not happy with at all. That is ridiculously too small. Let's go to the next thing. So we have our shirt of the month. And guys, this is our shirt of the month. I don't know what it says. What does it say? It says, I love naps. Yeah, I love naps, snacks, 90s music. Okay. I love naps and snacks and 90s music. Okay. And our shirt normally is valued at $25. Yeah, $25. And it says, celebrate your 90s vibe and the comfort and style with this fun graphic tee that sums up the essentials of any nostalgic mood, featuring a bold retro-inspired design. This shirt will have you relaxing in the ultimate throwback fashion. I'm cool with the shirt. Shirt is cute. I'm cool with that. And then the very last thing we have in here is the Brown Sugar's Guide to the 90s Nostalgia throwback. This is valued at $10. So that's the last thing in our box. And this one is 90s Throwback Nostalgia volume, as you guys can see. And I'm just, I don't know, just feeling the vibes. 90s hair trends. I don't know, the 90s haven't changed that much. I guess to me, I lived through the 90s, I lived through the early 2000s, like, I don't know, everything just kind of comes back with a little extra flair on it. For you guys that are younger than me, you'll realize that the things that you had in your closet back in the day start showing back up. And you're like, I should have just kept that stuff until they came back in style. So, but yeah, so this is valued at $10. So, okay, my overall thought of this month's box is I'm not really happy with it. This box is not worth $116 to me, at all. This box probably worth $50, maybe, I don't know. But like stuff like this with these pens, I look at them and I'm start thinking these should be like $4 for $1. And I'm sure I'm not the only person. If you got this, and like, I mean, they're cute and they're, you know, it's nice, but it's just like, you can't tell me 4 of these are $8. You know, that means it's $2 a pen, and I can barely read them. No, can't do that. And then the bag here, this just isn't my vibe. That's all I'm just going to say. It's just not my vibe. I'm sure somebody else, probably if it was in blue or something that I could probably wear every day, it would be cool. But this bright color, this is like a summertime color. So to me, I'm like, I can only wear this in the summer. But I mean, if I was going back to the 90s colors, I did have a lot of loud things. I've had shirts with very loud color blocks and all kind of stuff. But again, this type of bag was not necessarily worn in the 90s. This is more of an updated view of this bag. Actually, I don't remember wearing fanny packs at all in the 90s. I would say the late 80s I remember the fanny packs. The 90s I don't remember wearing the fanny packs at all whatsoever. So that's just me remembering down memory lane. But anywho, I think this is cute, but you can't keep saying this is valued at $10. That's all I'm saying. It has a few little things in here every month, but I mean, I'm getting the box. I mean, you don't have to keep giving me this and telling me it's $10. It's not really $10. The cards, again, not my vibe. I don't play cards. I don't play cards at all. I'm trying to remember what cards did I used to play. I don't really remember. I'm trying to remember what was the one with the books. I forget. I don't remember. I just don't play cards, okay? I'm not a card player. They're cute, but I'm just not a card player. The best two things I like out of this box is the shirt and the earrings. These are my favorites right now out of this box. The rest of it is just not me. And yeah, it's just not me. And I'm just annoyed that these are so tiny. This is ridiculous. I'm sure it does not cost that much to get these made up. That you could have gave us the regular size pins with 4 of these for $8. I'd have been with you all day on that. But these are barely, look, I can barely see these. So you guys look, see, you could barely see them too. You could barely see them. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, this does not feel like a $116 box. I could kind of see where they were going with the theme, but I don't think y'all quite made it home with this theme. It was an effort, but I don't know. The best thing you probably got right was the hoops. I'm just thinking of like other things you could have put in here from the 90s. Like it was so much stuff that we did, like with the trends and all kind of stuff. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have put half of the stuff that's in here. I would have went like a different kind of way. But that's just me, yo. That's just me. I think this would have been a box to put, like, when they gave us those, the jewelry with the herringbone necklace, this would have been a box to put that in. That kind of stuff is 90s. Stuff with the earrings with your name in them, or you could have got like a necklace or something that said home girl. That's 90s vibe. Fly girl, that's 90s vibe. I remember the rings from back in the day that had my initial on them. I had a big heart with my initial on it. Like that's 90s stuff. That's the 90s vibe. That was us. Yeah, to me this wasn't the box. So if you ain't get this, you ain't really missed out on nothing as far as I'm concerned. This is probably one of my least favorite box of the year. You guys, if you pick this up, let me know what you think. But yeah, for me, it's a no, because like I said, I don't do the cards. I don't really care for the bag. I just don't think we got our money's worth in this box this month, and that's unfortunate. It does happen. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of this particular box this month. I'm hoping with the Christmas and the Thanksgiving that we have something really great coming, so that this is forgivable. But yeah, I'm not feeling this box at all, and that's just being honest with you. I'm not gonna tell you I like it and I don't like it. I don't really like it. I felt like I wasted my money this month, so I'm gonna just take that hit and keep on going. But okay guys, if you did pick this box up, I would love to know what your comments are on this month's theme. Did you like it? What did you think of the items and size? Am I just being too critical or what? Just let me know. Just let me know. Hit me up in the comments below. I would love to chat with you guys. So guys, that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. I love just showing you guys what I get in my box. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post. But I will catch you guys on the next one. Have an awesome day or night, and don't forget to vote. Bye.